I'm Darius, your local Seattle Realtor friend, and welcome back to my channel where we give you tours of the most exclusive luxury property. This week, I am so excited to give you a tour. This house right behind me is listed for $17 million here in Vancouver, Washington, and it's impeccable. It was built in 2018, 14,000 square feet, has 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, tons of amenities, including your own bowling alley, a golf simulator room, a movie theater, and the list just goes on. I can't wait to share this one with you. I'm so excited, so let's go take a look. This property has a sense of arrival like no other. From double gated entry, you have car parking in 6 garages. You have beautiful waterfalls. The whole home is constructed from concrete, steel, and glass, so it's a fortress. And even as you walk up, take a look at this front door. It's a massive steel pivot door that gives you a good sense of what the home is all about. This house has so much to offer, so you do want to make sure you watch the whole video, but I do want to start with my favorite wing of the house, which is the entertainment wing. So first of all, it does have an elevator, which will take you to every level. We have upstairs where all the bedrooms are and a rooftop terrace. And as we keep going, there is a beautiful bar with open doors to your pool, which we'll check out shortly. And here we have your own private movie theater, which has world-class sound system and 7 TVs. Everything in this home is completely automatic, all from an iPad. And in this case, you could literally hit one button and all 7 TVs will come on. Imagine watching a fight night or NFL Sunday here. It doesn't get any better. This home was built for entertaining and fun. So the whole east wing of the house, you have tons of amenities. Here we have your own private 2-lane bowling alley. You will more than likely recognize this artwork because it's by world-renowned Alec Monopoly, and this whole mural was completed when the home was built. These days, just getting your hands on anything by Alec is extremely exclusive and expensive. So this is really something special. And at the end of the house here, you have your own golf simulator room. This home was designed and built by the Trackman company itself. So this is the perfect room for you to swing the club. And we've already seen outside, there's an additional putting green if you want to work on your short game, and a basketball court. So no matter what sport you like, whether it be bowling or golf or basketball, you don't have to leave your house to enjoy it. And now let's keep going. One thing I do want to mention that's very special is you probably noticed these blue hardwood floors, and the main living area you'll see has the same flooring, but it's in black. So what was done is they soaked these floors for 6 months in the color dye. So these could get refinished over and over, and they will retain this beautiful color blue. So now we're back by the grand entrance, and we talked about the blue floors there. Here you see the same concept, beautiful black hardwoods that were dyed for 6 months. And over here, we have your main dining area with a massive, gorgeous chandelier. This thing weighs over 1,200 pounds. We also have a wine, temperature-controlled wine cellar that holds 399 bottles. The whole main level, everywhere where you see this beautiful tile flooring, it's all heated. And let's walk into the kitchen. Beautiful, massive, open concept kitchen with world-class appliances. There's 2 dishwashers, a custom Sub-Zero fridge, Wolf range. All the cabinets are extremely custom, and watch how they operate. Press a button, they go all the way up, and to close it, there's a button to do that. How cool is this? In this west wing, we have another large room, which they currently use as kids' entertainment area, a big playroom, if you will. I just love all the glass windows throughout. The property is just gorgeous, and you could see from here all the way through the east wing, and this is one of 3 laundry rooms throughout the house. Now, let's go upstairs to check out all the bedrooms as well as the rooftop. This family had few little kids, so clearly they have these very modern removable child gates, which blend in beautifully throughout the home, yet it protects the kids from falling down.
Talk back, talk behind my back. Whisper about me, how about that?
And now we're in the primary suite, and I just love all the design, the textures, the colors. This bedroom is so perfect and sexy. And here, as mentioned, we're right on Columbia River. So imagine waking up every morning with a beautiful waterfront. Right on the other side is actually Oregon. So we're still in Vancouver, Washington. That's the main Portland airport. So the view is amazing. Imagine all the planes taking off and landing every morning or at night. As we walk into the primary bathroom, I love the moody colors. Beautiful fixtures with gold accents, an oversized steam shower room. You must be able to fit, I don't know, 10 or 15 people there. It's insane how big it is. We have 2 toilet rooms, a very large custom closet, and if we head this way, there's the second laundry room right off your primary closet. Features like a coffee maker, everything very close and convenient right to your bedroom. And I love this catwalk, and this is a separate wing with, in this case, a hangout area. And there are 4 additional bedrooms in this wing. So the whole second floor is the primary suite on one end of the house, and then 4 bedrooms here. Beautiful views, whether you're looking towards the water or back towards your courtyard. Custom walls, I mean, it is done so well. And this is yet another amazing hangout area. You have your own, clearly, private rooftop with its own kitchen, TV, a bar, and being here on the Columbia River is pretty special. Columbia River runs right into the Puget Sound, and with this house, you have your own large private dock that's over 40 feet deep. So you could get a pretty substantial yacht, park it here, and be able to get out and enjoy the greater Puget Sound. And now we're back downstairs in the great room. You probably see the front door, that's where our tour started, and we're gonna cover this and then head and show you the outside. The scale is massive. It has tall ceilings, beautiful textured walls and ceilings, impeccable lighting, has a substantial fireplace at the center stage, has a big saltwater aquarium that was built by the same company that builds aquariums for the Animal Planet, and your indoor-outdoor flow at this house is perfect. It has these massive sliding doors, and the total opening is 40 feet of opening into the outside for you to come and enjoy. And now we're in the backyard, which is perfect for entertaining. As you can see, we have its own outdoor kitchen, multiple seating areas. I just love this feature with a TV. It gets tucked into the ground when you're not using it. You have your own private pool. As we walk down, there's another private terrace for you to enjoy with its own fireplace. Currently, the tide is up pretty high, but in the summertime or when the tide's a little lower, you do have about a 15 to 20 feet of beachfront that you get to enjoy in the warm summer months. And that's a wrap for our tour today. I want to thank Dave Sobolik and John Romano, who are the listing agents of this beautiful house. Please drop a comment below and let me know what was your favorite feature, and I'll catch you on the next video.